In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply text styles in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep typography consistent across your designs and update it quickly when things change. First, let's get clear on what text styles are. In Figma, a text style is a reusable set of typographic properties you can apply to any text layer. That includes the font family, font size, line height, letter spacing, paragraph spacing, list style, decorations like underline or strike through, and letter case. These styles help keep your type system tidy and predictable. It's also important to note what text styles don't include. They don't cover text color or alignment. Colors and fills are separate styles, and alignment is handled directly in the text properties, so keep those in mind as you work. Now, let's apply a text style to some text. Start by selecting the text layer you want to style. You can click the text directly on the canvas, or select it from the Layers panel if that's faster. With the text layer active, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Typography or Text section. This is where your type settings live. Next to the font and size controls, you'll see a style icon or drop-down. Depending on your setup, it might look like 4 dots or a small list icon. Click that icon to open the style picker. From there, choose the text style you want to apply. You'll see both local styles defined in this file and any styles available from shared libraries. As soon as you pick one, the text layer will adopt all of that style's typography properties in one go, ensuring a perfect match with the rest of your system. You're not limited to entire layers either. If you need just part of a text layer to use a style, like a heading inside a paragraph or a highlighted link, select that specific portion of the text first, then apply the style from the same picker. It's a precise way to keep mixed content consistent. If your team uses shared libraries, make sure the relevant library is enabled in your file so those styles appear in the picker. This keeps everyone aligned on the same typography across projects. And if you frequently apply styles, organize and name them clearly, you can quickly find them by name in the style picker whenever you need them. Finally, remember the biggest advantage of styles. When you edit a text style later, say you adjust the font size or line height, every text layer using that style updates automatically, saving you time and preventing inconsistencies.